So no ye Badwam kase ensam no na yetodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini posifo na ebo kokko NDC amanyoko na ne demonstration na won ye wa mantam dunsia no mu nyina no se bibi de twe wo mu na ye be so won mu ye de honsam no ntoso no ebebro na ya fe ya kwa Ghana Mind Workers Union so Taiwan panifo achi se aban and declare emergency ewo galamsey honsam no nsem bi na no pay me de bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase watch me live on Facebook/Adom TV. And I will go TV at 119, DSTV at 280, call YouTube Adom TV Tube. And some way you know, be brain so all of get adomonline.com. A be audios, videos, and the pictures and so a can home. Media fear among qua tamaklu. A fear need the BNT and some niche more ankasa etie. NDC amanyoko no na nsentamunie abokokwa kasa de afa voter transfer no any voter register no ehon se niema bi enhye da nkoyie wo mu enti no e was electoral commission penifo ehwe na won mo esesa niema ewo mu ne santi ne amantam dunsia ne mu nyina no won ye ye kire e de atwe isi adwen asiso se niema bi nkoso yie e wo abato nwoma ne munti e wo so ya Adom TV kase etoso yi
kono ye ne NDC fo mpanyimfo a ewo regions ni nyina atena se edinkita ho ye ne electoral commission fo nso edinkita ho aye nhyehyɛ ye bebre agu ho ase ne ebeyi a obia bete ne ho ase ye nim bebia ye start ye fi ye nim bebia ye kowie ye du ho ye nim nipa oba be hia party no abeje petition oposi e bo modern tree organizers na as dream esi su biomu se ye wogidie se omobedi mra ne so pepepe na bibia akokama kama efi se obi ebumra ne so a eye organizers for no ye be hold you more responsible arehemo ye de bo magana for ne se obi anka na koma to ne yam posi adwumako ye ohomamo
Churcheni de Ghana Mind Workers Union what you see Adom gbana. And then so one matter organized labor penifo echi say yen declare state of emergency wo galamsey no ekon ho na wo mu kire mu say de wo mu kan nyina echi na ban no antie dia wo bete wonka e wo demonstration.
Oh, that's it. Yakacha ban dada. Yeah, organized labor meeting. Yakacha ban say yeah man up to end of September. Yakacha ni say so omo an hwema amas state of emergency na Adom. One share na machines are for the water water bodies and forest reserves no more. Sadia no and sensia. And the demonstrations are basically Ghana hano. Yentini and control it. Beyond demonstrations, no, sir, you for the more materials, yes, strike na ebe kwa ebe ko. They will shut down the whole economy. The shut economy now, and one president in the government ebeti asiese na mbehu se ne yeka no ye ni abre.
President Dema Institution of Engineering and Technology Ghana Henry Kwadwo Boateng and so aka here say nimanimi ya no galamsey bibia ye from agudie to obia no yetimi ebre no ase woni Adom kase ne di enkomo e wo built environment professionals for one more enhyiamudi a won hyiaye and watch the sesia galamsey no ayeye nsuo yen forest ene ade enti ehu behia se wasa ban no edi sa adwuma no entem so wabo otumfo osetutu bebi onso abaso se na hemfo mienu ya galamsey a ene watu won mo ade so
engineers ekoye investigation or site be our boase our motu ato what the omokoye no pick samples of banchini kwadunia that they were home they call lab no the site no abandoned for about 87 years omokoye and still there were traces of cyanide and mercury. So this tells you how dangerous it is. Chemicals are used to the poison. And so virtually it's a mass killing. So I say very careful. That's why we are calling for a halt to all mining, especially the small scaled and the galamsey. And sana abano will be beer or pese or the trade unions, the professionals, no can ne yaka because untimi nyina nkran ni mu nto untimi nkasa wo beka ho asem wo brekwa de no gu so ekoso. That's why we are calling find enya so ada otumfo ase ba na mesen say onye bi nkam say baby a no mu tu galem say no ahin na no mo ho no mu tu ba me hwe mu say ahin no mo amo ye they were no paramount amo ye as a continue ni ti me hwe say kasese no ne bo na wato no ebetimi aka kese ba ko saka paramount chief bi pa na yetu na fi ade so na ye deterrent to other chiefs soft chiefs no ayede by osanko de nim na ye paramount say ye kokuma say ehwo ekwan so konongu odumase mankran so ho nyina basa motutu ahemfo ho na em say penny due manti as a hono akoye se court so obi eko report ansa na mafre asem no edi ewo ho enti omanfo no
Basre asorema enene abetodwa se kwasi ada bia no kokko no mo behye e de akọ hia demo e kire wani brabre se galamsey no e wo se ye twaso moderator Emma Presbyterian Church right Reverend Dr. Abraham na no pare kwache e no wo kire se yenya no amanyosem no na yemfa no se yankasa oman ye ne sa ye betumi adu yembota ye ho adom kase e twaso
afa yen galamsey a agye oman ni su nyina na resɛ no enne the Presbyterian mountain maba nyina ya aka se wo sha atade kokɔ e de akyerɛ sɛ nia ekoso no haw yen efisɛ yen daakyen na sese ye de agori no yen su bebre enim ayekɔ na emwa oman no enu ti yesrɛ yen oman no mu mpanyin sɛ wɔwɔ abangmo sɛ woni abangmo sɛ yen nyina yen kan yentim mbom ade na erekoso no ere affect yen nyina sɛ Ghana fo enye politics asem na mum eye Ghana yen daakye nti ye be srɛ sɛ yen nyina nka ye hummom na yen yi saa de mfi o ye yi fi hɔ de a ebema oman no etumi akodi ye
onwonyamfo Daniel Kwaku Botwe ene Adom kase nko obum na o kire sɛ nti a ɔno nko a osi mission house ede ma prebiasafo a ɛwɔ maaban
asɔre di 100 years ye baaye na be hwɛ tebia na mission house bia wo me wɔ na mse no esi etimi ye bibi e de hye asɔre no nyam e de sabe papa nso no nyam na mama for 3 years now papa so training in farming our farms and papa de giants farm and sebia be kasa I'm going out of my way to raise funds from people I could have maybe finished the building earlier but me badge say enam say de income from your farming and other things be you need I take it 3 years anyame adom yetime aye asu
Adom TV Badwam kase na uguso ehwe no na MPP amanyoko mpanimfo a wa futu abato mpesua so e won finfin mantem musa posifo enkoche efutu NDC supporters no tichu no wonu mu a be bots be 20 a eye orales afenyo markings ne dia no womo ekobubu free honu mu a obi anka won na no kwasiada no womo chire mu se majority leader any efutu municipal assembly no womo akoyi NDC candidate James Kofi Annan ne billboard free ho e kire se wodi besi ho no wantua eho sika enu nti ena wo mu yi free wo mu nim se bia nu so ka ho nti no won so akobubu won de ya emu kire mu ene
na billboards sabi oye MPP ye japaze property of the New Patriotic Party His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia nifonyi dado na Honorable Alexander Afenyoma nifonyi dado for no cause there obi nti won obi nkan won iya MPP fo yan kan won yan say NDC japadi biara na we are kete na walk around in a class action nipa be 15 to 20 people what cars move from one point to the other na maoya arehoyin there the police as at today has not effected any arrest me a complainant in the matter my constituency organizer is a complainant the party in the photo has officially written to the divisional command complaining about NDC for enyirama sama why there why attack here billboards I destroy the billboards without any cause obiara nti won obiara nkan won MPP for yanko kan NDC for war billboard yanko kan we japade bia na ewiabere kete on a Thursday what shall one ho there wo be say ye japade na ma ye pade ye kan ma NDC what are saying there. The MPP, we are a peace loving organization. We are a law abiding institution. Yen fa embran she yensem dem ma won yentin won yen kan won was emrashe wonsem no wabububu ye billboard wasese ye billboard nyina yade ya asama
MPP Amanyoko Franka Tuni oyema mpani abedi akire ye Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na wakasa ede akire NDC Franka Tuni John Dramani Mahama so wontwe ne ho emfiri amanyosemu atennie na ne campaign a wode rally a woye won kran na Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ebo kwaduro se ura Mahama nei kwan ya wo faso ka ensamfa nsori ana clergy se ho civil society ho ne traditional leaders so omo ye nya atwom ne ade ewo niema bi o mayi niema bi a wo mofo anu ntumo no hu ne se entwe yi emunsem eni
onyina munni se abaya ye kotui eye mini o mampenyi dada ena ye pri se ye betina kudie enye sa na sari ya campaign ikono ebe se wabe hu se sa campaign o be lusu koto enti didi kakra na ni buefu ati se ene wako didi osofu on them we didi ahim for them we didi imams and them we didi CSOs for them osi omunyina omuye hypocrites what we did that saka say na omampenyi dada simikasa what we did that and say so didi electoral commission at him and that's what say MPP government a foolish government hey what we did that where kasa ebe free omampenyi dada enu. We must have limited at least some standards of decency in the language we speak as politicians.
Adom TV Badwam kase na uguso ehweno na NDC aban aye no se won mo aban beba se nyame adom na Ghana de tumi no ema wo mo dia aquaculture production en mo eduanom ne ade no ombe kenya mu pa na tumi anam no so aboa ama edinwuma so aba won Franka Tuni na de sansemi eto eduane ma wo be ye beboa ma mabunu won so atumi akọ animu wo adwuma mu nsam no eyade esine ni so pa emunsam eni.
There is the potential for aquaculture, and if we fully exploit it, Shai Osudoku can provide a lot of fish to feed the people of Accra. And so we're going to support you with fish cages and the inputs for aquaculture. I remember when the former Minister of Fisheries, may her soul rest in peace, Sherry Aite, was the minister. She helped a lot of farmers do fish farming on the Volta River. We are going to appoint a fisheries minister, and we will let him pay special attention to this district so that you can increase your aquaculture and be able to make more income for the people here.
And what you call it was to say, a moki ayono, a was with me a danimu, Sabaya, a mabuno, any betcha one, a woman so, and one a shaky jumanim.
If we help the young rice farmers at the Asuchari irrigation project, they will be able to produce rice to feed the market. They work a processing plant, Baba Beer, Koni a process or more, and then package it nicely. Kewa package government Baba he Nakai Omwe, Nico, Wakaya secondary school say, hospitals, prisons.
Also for your sanitation and water resources, so your Lydia Seram Alhassan na ene ojidie pa sasanya mampani na nado danko akufuado assign presidential compact no washing emu no ebeboa pa na no so ebie kwan bebre so de ama wo mo se wonwuma na won mo ye no wonkoso a enye na miawodo bi a hundidie ne hyeda ma ne muso no so wo motumi abo awura mu yie na tumi abo akase no edeba.
The journey to increase access to water, sanitation and hygiene in Ghana has just started, and we need everybody to put their shoulders on the wheel. We must together win this fight at all costs. As millions of unserved and underserved Ghanaians cannot wait any longer for this basic and yet very vital service. WASH has therefore become a fundamental human right, and it is important for us to double our steps in bridging the wide gap in access, especially in the sanitation subsector. To these people who do not have access, it means illness, absence from school, lack of convenience and dignity, walking of long distance leading to loss of livelihood and economic opportunities, environmental challenges, and what have you.
Enipa bako epra ni nyina no NDC Mrashebejani wo Gomwa West Richard Jan ene members bi wo Gomwa West MPP amanyoko no bra na Gomwa West drip machine no ye pa ho ntoma ne wi akire menteme ho asinti obi epra wo mu emunsam ne de koso kase no edeba
Mwa ejuma kon traditional council on mahin na nanoma ahemfu nyina atina ma yegudu ayehwe na MP agomafo ya to abama nsa na Langard MP ozi NDC chairman nenyim ozi secretary nenyim obaya secretary wa atwe chain MP wa atwe pesel ekwo so wa atwe seka menyo kase ncha woda wa ha abranta ono okan grade no was a carjack was sinasum memboja ofinimu wa atete na tare na MP sana gomafo ya kwato abama armed robber MP a ozi Langard fu wenyim
Mrashebejani wo Gomwa West Emma NDC amanyoko no Bismarck Richard Mensajan enso adi tudwa se ensema DC ne dia tudwa no nukura bi anim
enko de kwakose dwumeti na eye nyina za abobobo hen na mom yeso yekoede exercise yen civic right na na wo attack yen and anybody bi a wo attack ni bi anyi ho a se go betina wo de winsisi no nko se bi obi anya bi ni si obi masenya ni tiro ze DC ye de we be shame you go twamiti no na be hina ga benti na yegina hono ntuma ho itiare de busrem kabi no kan we ba catch me party fini do be anya bota na mo machine de as far as posters in the bomb in a program tin here yes we dey the bomb bi just why posters if
ti allegations na okan ye nyina na fia me hu frame ne adwumakuo no nti da bia ho asamba na say yakofo mo aba no ma be chichiri mo ma menyina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase no yemfa ensi ha fe na adwumadie no ye hyase ye wie kase no de bonkrata wo ho na fe online stories no so ye de ato aso koso na ne ye ntena sabre ye kwaba